How to fix sounds not available on Instagram Reels after download. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now tap on the Reels icon. Now tap on the send icon. Now scroll to the right and tap on add to story. Now tap on your stories. Now wait for some time. Now after the story is uploaded, tap on your story. Now tap on the three dots. Now tap on save video. Now go back to your home screen and open your gallery. Now tap on albums and go to all. Now when I play this video, as you can see there is sound in my video. So by following this simple step, you can fix the sounds not available on Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.